khara wethi fengwa.
Yo.
Tun, tun, tun.
Yes.
That iline le.
Yeah.
Ngal recorder.
Yeah.
Khara wethi fengwa. Ayethi fengwa.
Tut.
And then
Can
kwaba nendo ukuthi ayikhona. La ngathi na something.
Yeah.
King dlala.
Zululihle lako somdikwana elehle endabeni lithetha lalingathethi into lalithetha inala nalizulu ngelase ulendabeni zakwapulani ngelase ulangeswezulu bathapha amakhosazana ayakubetha umkhulwane elidule phakamisa isandla ngiyalotshisa lambizo ngingu-Andile uNabingweni thelerina langekosini umbuduma kamasokasokile isigwegwe solite isigwegwe sabhala ukweluleka ngombana kusigwegwe solite thana sigwegwe selithi sabe siza kuzama ukweluleka sasinda ngombana sigwegwe solite nakungizombilite ngumndwa kosele ikomo ngikubusi kamhlanga weze mbogomo nabantu njengomlambo ozela amanzi bathi Zulu musawukuna uyokuna yenzasi uyokuqeda inkomo nabantu.
Yes. Akwande Mzansi ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu indebele lihlakaniphileko nelifundileko bakwethu sikatangisela eGood Life Studios sikhamba noNabingweni sikhamba noLilo NTK ingwenya zekhethu abadosi phambili belimi lesindebele abasikinya undebele kuzwakale abathuthukisa isindebele ngendlela ekarako abathuthukisa ilimi lesindebele enkundleni zonke. Nabingweni kungitshela nasiza la sikukhuphe ngesondweni.
Yay. Kawacho la watu zimo lindebele.
Yeah.
Uzithwele.
Lindebele. Ngibone namhlanje vele ukuthi hayi lindebele. Khishwe ngesondweni.
Yeah.
Uyi-influencer, uyi-digital creator, uyi-content creator,
Praise poet.
ngifuna le fashionista la.
Yeah, fashionista.
Chesa. So now indwezi umajadu kangaka eminyakeni okiyo le okukhona njani?
Ngikhona kuhle ngombana
Yes.
okwanje ekhaya ngikhona.
Yeah.
So into eziningi amaholo iminyanya bayayenza so ngiyaya bangibiza ngikhambe ngiyogidinga nami.
Nje uyabhadelwa yi?
Iye ngiyabhadela.
Chesa.
Ngiyabhadela.
Yeah. So far sibona ukuthi indlela esikhamba ngayo le i-content creation ngiyesiphilisa. Yini kwenze waba nekareko phezu ko-creator zonke indwezi phezu kwalokho ube yimbongi ethuthukisa ilimi lesindebele ukhone njani konke lokho?
Kube kulula ngombana ekhaya sekosini
Iye.
kwamanala mgibi.
Iye.
Umgibogiba amadoda. Hlenge lako zidli. So izinto lezi zibazinenge ekhaya
Yes.
bayahosta iminyanya amaholo.
Yeah.
Enikhumbule bona ivunulo engimbethe kula kusikanengi ubona abantu bayimbethe musi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ngiyo enye yenza ukuthi ngi-embrace. Ngitshengise esindebeleni ukuthi amanala sinayo nathi ivunulo ehle kangaka.
So le yivunulo yamanala. Kubangelwa yini ukuthi ivunulo yamanala kungabi yivunulo ehatshekileko namkhana ejayelekileko?
Ngicabanga bona ngoba amanala mancane. Majority ngiyamanzunza.
Yes.
So umbala omhlophe lo obovu no blue kusikanengi abantu bawumbathi.
Mara ivunulo lakho lihle man. Or ifanela wena ngazi mara.
Ifanela yena kuphela.
Ne. Batsho ifanela wena kuphela. So kungitshele izinto ozivunulileko.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thoma King Thomela
Yes.
la ngibethe umkhala. Khamsana into lebe angazi nokuthi.
How? Get judge.
Yeah.
Judge.
La ngibethe irasu.
Yes.
Mbatha noma ngubani umntazana wendebele
Yes.
namasokana bayawambatha woke. Lana ngibethe into ezandleni nanzi.
Mabhengele.
Yes.
Mabhengele. Ngizokuhlobisa nje imkhono le ukuthi nayo ibe yihla ngitsho.
Yes.
La ngibethe imdzegana emibili. La ngibethe nasi
Libhandle le.
Nabanomkhaba bayayembatha na phela wena unamkhaba.
Bathana noma ngubani.
Okay.
All 14.
Oh, ne.
Eh.
All 14.
All 14.
Akatheki.
Telerina
Yes.
ngiyembatha lokho.
Yeah.
Bese lana khona ngibethe irhabi limbatha matlawana namathelerina nawo ayawambatha
Yes.
nemdzegana enyaweni. Lana ke ngibethe umadalanyana babizwa bona ithawula.
Okay. So, nihlangana phi nolilo? Nihlanganiswa yini? Nihlangana njani?
Sinolilo.
Yes.
Ulilo ukuthoma kwami umbona ngambona komjekejeke
Okay.
unyaka lo 2025. Ukuthoma kwami kumbona ngamehlo.
Oh, yes.
Ngimazela emvumeni wakhe.
Yes.
So kumbona kwami vele awasathabela naye wabona ukuthi ngimuntu
Bona
nekhono.
thabelana. Uqinisi.
Hayi ngaleyo ndlela.
Awa ngiyabuza. Alright, sharp.
Sathabela nokuthi awu ndebele uhlangene.
Yes. Nahlangana mbala.
Ndebele uhlangene.
Yes.
So baba ukuthi vele kumuntu ofuna ukwenza umvumo.
Yes.
Kunomvuma nawo afuna ukuthi ngibe khona imvumeni loyo.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah, ngathoma ukumbona kwamjekejeke.
Yeah.
Hayi. Yeah, No, mina bengithoma ukubona umuntu onjengaye.
Yes.
Amtshela la ngathi, "Hey, ubonakala njengomuntu ongathi uvela estorini."
Yeah.
Yeah,
Relative umrulo.
No, not the TV nebili, inganekwane. Enqa estorini sabentwana, yabona?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
and then sakwaba lapho ke sakha ungani.
Yes.
And then ukuya phambili wathola ukuthi hawa uhlala la nami ngihlala la.
Yes.
Kwaba ukuthi semaduze lanto
that's true.
asenze umvumo ke. Yakhe ngikufakela kancane. Ngiyabona uyimbongi mara ngicabanga ukuthi indlela le oyiraga ngayo ingathuthuka if sifaka nemvumeni, yabona?
Ne.
And what's the best way to ukuthuthuka without feature ulilo NTK?
Yes.
Nami. Yabona? So
Yabo.
ikhona ingoma esigadangisileko
Yes.
ingwenya
Zangena
zangena
ingwenya.
zangena ingwenya yeah ayikagaba ukuphuma kodwa
Yeah.
yona sesi khiphile
Platform.
kuma social media platforms.
Yes.
So abantu ngathi bayizwile nathi besafuna ukuzwa ukuthi abantu bayithabela kanjani then ke sikhiphe iphume.
Yeah.
Okwanjena into engiyenzako esiyenzako sobabili ukuthi nangine gig ngikhamba naye.
Oh.
Yeah, nathi sengimveze ebantwini babone ukuthi sinobuhlobo njani.
Introducer to your market.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, and mhlamunye and the market le mina engekho ngakhona ukuyireach.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala. So abakufunako nabingweni bakuthola njani? Ama social media handle lakho athini?
Facebook Andi Nabingweni, TikTok Nabingweni _28, Instagram Andi Nabingweni.
Okay. And then uyawenza ama appearance njalo njalo. Okay.
Yeah, vele juthi konke na umfuna emnyanyeni
Yes.
azokuhlobisela umnyanya.
Yes.
Ubona nami ngikhamba na nje uzongihlobisela la.
Hlobisile.
Yeah, uhlobisile.
Liplomu.
Yes.
Yes.
Nabingweni vele i stage name namkhani brand name oyibuilda njenganje kosa siberegise iphi Nabingweni or Andile?
Nabingweni.
Nabingweni.
Eh.
Okay, perfect. So now Nabingweni imnyanyo ikhambelako minyanya enjani? Abantu bangakubiza nabafuna uzokwenzani emnyanyeni nabo?
Iminyanya eyikhambelako kungaba semtjhadweni
Yeah.
wesindebele nawo kungaba
Yeah.
idwendwe nobukhazi ngiyimbongi.
Jesa.
Emaholweni
Yes.
umuntu nakatjhadako ngingamfaka umakoti
Yes.
namkha umkhwenyana nafuna ngimuthi inthakazelo zakhe.
Yes. So now utholakala njani?
Tholakala enkundleni zokuthintana Andi Nabingweni ku-Facebook, TikTok Nabingweni _28,
Yes.
Instagram Andi Nabingweni.
Ngiyayithanda into eniyenzako nobabili. Ngokuya ngami ngiyafisa ukuthi ni build more than le ni buildileko. ikhule indlondlobale because mina nanginibona nobabili so I see lot of potential. I see indlela zokwenza imali. I see ukuthi ningaba rich nithuthukisa into yesindebele. Yeah. Ungam-advise uthini u-Andy since you've been in the game for 2 years?
Just bengisafuna ukusho ukuthi mina since I've been in the game for I can't say that much kodwa ke sekuyiminyakana yona. Into mina engifundileko from abantu abakhulu kunami and of which was uSipho Ma60.
Yes.
Of which nguye bekanguide throughout from the beginning, you know, till today. Ukuthi ube very humble. Akunanto edlula leyo. As much as bangathi you are as big as umkhulu or umbani umkhulu udlula ubani, when you are humble, Zithobe ungakhambi uzibetha isifuba into ezinjengalezo. Nanoma abantu bangathini ngawe wena uzithulele wenze lokho kwenzako usuchubeke nalokhu wena odume ngakho. That's the best advice I can give you. Just be humble. I think okuningi okudlula lokho kuza kulandela ama blessings.
Chesa.
Yeah, and okunye ifame iyadakana ne mara kuna ngathi uyibetha ngeblue tick. Yeah.
Ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala nabingweni. Sizokuragela phambili nenkulumo.
Yeah.
Njenganje asi koshe uthini nothoma ihlelo lakho. Yes. All right. Bakwethu besinonabingweni lapha imbongi yemtshade.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, unamabhena. I'm
Yes.
back, guys. I'm back.
Muhle hle owenza ivunulo ibe yihle. Ya njenganje sijoinwa nguNamasuku Nqobile Masuku lapha.
Funa vele ulilo lo.
Yes.
Yazi ungifuna
Mfuna phasi ndra. Yathi ukuthi bafuna ngimkhona.
Akwande lilo njani?
awasifukile sikabzanini.
Sithokoze.
Thokoza mina.
Aha. Lilo.
Yes.
Ngibawa sithome kuthomeni. La ithome khona. Ukhulelephi? Ukhule njani?
Yo.
Yeah.
Ukukhula kwami ukubelethwa kwami ngibelethwele Philadelphia.
Yes.
Ngahlala eMaday Slope maybe 2 years or 1.5
Yes.
years, and then ngasuka lapho ke ngaye ePitori
Yes.
eMamelodi ngakuhlala noHarry.
Oh, uHarry lo kade khona.
Yeah.
Alright.
Akusingoma nje kuphela.
Yeah.
Akusingoma nje kuphela.
Yes.
Ngasuka ke ngakuhlala noHarry. uHarry ngihleli naye trend 7 years
Yes. Wow.
if not more.
Yo.
Yeah. Angazi na uthi ila isuka khona utsho umvumo or
Ngitsho ukubelethwa kwakho vele. Ngendlela oyihlahlule ngayo
Yeah.
sikhamba kuhle.
alright.
Ufunde.
And then ke isikolo angazi ngithi unfortunately or ngithi fortunately
Yes.
ngifunde Makhweni.
Yeah.
So ilimi lesindebele lesi kuyinto engizifundisa yona.
Yes.
Nice.
Ngifunde eSilverton Primary School, ngayithi large school, Silverton Large School. And then high school ngayenza Hoërskool FH Warendal.
Yes.
Yeah. And yeah, that was just about it when it comes to zefundo.
Yes.
Bese ke during primary
Yeah.
kulapho ke yathoma yonke into le yomvumo.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngikhule under a hip hop culture.
Yes.
Yes. Around 2006 it was a very big thing. Lapho bekusengena bo Lil Wayne.
Yes.
Yeah, hence Lil D.
Oh, ne.
Yeah.
Uthando
Okay.
ulilo.
Yes.
No, Lil Wayne is a very
Yes.
huge ngithini icon for almost ama rapper amaningi or
True.
yes, ama hip hop artists or nje anyone I think olalila umvumo we hip hop.
Yes.
Lil Wayne was a very huge inspiration.
True.
So ngalezo nkathi ke bekube saphethe into ezinjengaza ama cypher sesenama battle sessions like this. We used to cramp thina.
Oh.
yeah, like scrumper
Yeah.
and stuff. Simbatha amabhrugu amakhulu bathi simahlanya basibiza
Mavoops.
yeah basibiza ngama igama lela n-word
Yes.
skr igama lanje
Ngela
leli
nje?
ngilamva nje.
yeah ngelamba nje
Okay.
angazi ukuthi igama eli ngingalibiza na
Hey, ngiyalibona
Yeah, the
lela.
N-word.
Alright.
Okay, okay.
yes bebasibiza ngalo igamelo but then besilibhebhula as our culture sizibiza njalo ukuthi vele
Yes,
sima
yeah.
yabona
Okay.
yeah but it was a thing man it was bekuyi-culture nje thina kodwa mina ngithome ngokudansa
Yeah.
Majayiva nje?
yeah
Ujayiva
bengijayiva anje bengizibethe ngiziphula khulu anjengaphula mos
Jesa. Yeah.
yeah mina yami i-hip hop culture isukela lapho
Yeah.
from ukujayiva and then after ukujayiva senza ama-battle sessions my first verse kuhle into yomvumo lo kuhle ukuthi bengasiyinto yami kuhle ukuthi mina bengijayiva right so kuze singene entweni zokuvuma lezi kuba nama ingomanyana lezi zangemzini lezi ukuthi mina nginguthini hlala emhlabathini thini mase ngitobha leli thini
Mina ngiu-N, njalo
Yeah.
njalo. Yes,
yeah
yes,
intwenyana ezinjalo
Yeah.
so I had that kind of verse yeah and then kwaba into engikhamba nayo you know wherever I go you
Yeah.
know until angasakhumbuli I think ngezwa ingoma ka-Will I Am
Yes.
no not Will I Am Will Smith
Oh, Will Smith, yeah.
igama lengoma I think it's Shake It no angisakhumbula ukuthi igama lo angisayikhumbula kodwana-ke mina ngabhala ingoma ethi Shake It
Okay.
ashake it angisakhumbula ukuthi ithini
Yes.
kodwana bekuhambelana nengoma ka-Will Smith leya yeah
I think Will.i.am or something.
Ah, it's Will
Will
Smith.
Smith there.
Will
Yeah, Will
Oh,
Smith,
okay.
yeah.
Yes.
yeah igama le ithi nje angisayikhumbula but switch
Oh,
like everybody say switch
yes,
oh,
ngiyakhumbula.
switch
Yeah,
yeah nje ingoma leyo ngayithanda khulu
Yes.
and then ngiyo yenza ukuthi ngitlole ingoma yami yokuthoma mara ngayibhala ngeyami indlela
Yes.
but obviously bekusikhuwa-ke ngaleso sikhathi yabona ukuya nokuya-ke ingoma sesiyazihlola ziningi and then-ke kwaba nokuthi siyasuka bengihlala emamelodi angitsho siyasuka-ke emamelodi sinohari sayokuhlala kwaMhlanga bese bathola istandeka kwaMhlanga
Yes.
yeah sakuhlala kwaMhlanga muthi angazi ngihleli iminyaka engaki lapha ngisakhumbula besihlala ezone 3
Yes.
yeah and then kodwana benginande ngivakatshe eMatislope and iMatislope leyo ngithanda kakhulu ukuthi ihliziyo yami vele beyifuna ngathi ngihlale eMatislope yabona
Kuhle kuhle yeah.
so ngalithola-ke ithuba lokuthi ngihlale eMatislope
Yes.
yeah mara bengingasi ngendlela ezimnandi bekunesifo uhari achadwe khona bekunesifo kwakosa ukuthi uyakhamba uya lapho uyokwenza into ezalapho yabona koza ukuthi akunamuntu engingasala naye koza ukuthi ngikhambe nge-Matislope for imvekenyana ngakhambe la futhi-ke
Wabaleka.
angabaleki ngafika lapho ngahlalela futhi vele eMatislope
Yeah.
kwakuthi vele ngithola abantu ekade ngithi nangivakatshile ngiyabathola-ke lapho
Okay.
mene kodwana-ke angazi ukuthi bangithole njani ngoba ngimuntu ozivalelayo ngendlini
Hayi uyazivalela.
Uyazivalela.
so bekunomngane wami omunye uThulane okay he's still in the music industry
Yes.
today uThulane I think uzibiza ngaye ngegama lena namhlanje DJ Thulane
Yes.
yeah.
DJ Lane
Yes, DJ Lane.
yes DJ Lane
Yeah.
besidlala ama-TV game yeah besithanda ama-TV game vele besizwana ngama-TV game isinaye but bengazi ukuthi uyavuma naye well mina I was just in the hip hop thing but not ukuthi bengivuma straight yabona
Yes.
and then-ke sahlangana uthola ukuthi yena unesichema sakhe bazibiza ngama-Red Fires
Okay.
Red Fires yeah ngisakhumbula Red Fire yeah I think it was a Red Fire bebachisa yo
Yeah.
Yes.
and then-ke kwaba nomunye uFriday uthola ukuthi sibambe i-session leya bathi babiza ama-battle session
Oh yeah.
Yes.
nami bengikhona-ke la bekuyi-after school mina vele after school bengingayikhaya bengiphelele endleleni
Yeah.
ne-uniform ingakayihlubuli So sithola senza ama-session layo-ke I think bese bangibona lapho ukuthi kunomuntu onje yabona bese-ke kwaba namanye amajida azongithatha ngisekhaya ngizidlalela ama-TV game kokote sifuna umuntu onje nango ngendlini bangithola ngizidlalela i-TV game nota sikubone lapha urapper lapha so sithome enye crew la siyibiza nge-MRS so zwakala MRS meaning Mateus Rap Stars yeah lapho-ke bebahlanganisa woke umuntu osemateus slope oraphayo hayi sibaningi khulu umuntu besiyi-9 or 10 yeah kungiyo-ke i-Red Fire leyo bese bekunabanye bebazibiza Happy Dogs amagama lawo bebazibiza nge-Happy Dogs and then the guys ebeza bazongithatha babodwa bebazibiza nge-2 Dimension.
Okay.
Yes kwaba nokuthi okay umvumo lo siyawenza-ke sibaningi-ke njalo-ke sahlanganisa ingoma sesiyazihlola man asizigadangisi siyazihlola you won't believe this but then our first producer uHlokonya Kabungela yes uHlokonya Kabungela no Lucky umsweso kwabandrasi yes ngibo abantu phela bebazi umvumo ngalezo ngigadangisho so bebathi nababhizi ngenkatara-ke lapho thina sifike-ke sobathi stepa-ke sifuna basipakela ama-beat lapho we-hip hop ufika lapha ubethi i-beat lakho ngumlomo
Okay.
ulaki uyakubhakela-ke
Okay.
ulaki nakabhizi upaka umhlokonya
Yes.
yeah kwaba kulapho ukuthi mina nami phela ngicalile-ke i-computer ukuthi press up yabona and then ekuhambeni kwesikhathi wathola ukuthi siyahlukana-ke esiyi-MRS le Mateus Rap Stars Happy Dogs yenza zayo i-Red Fire yenza zayo kwakosta ukuthi well mina bengana crew ngitsho bese laba bathi i-2 Dimension sebafaka nami sesaba i-3 Dimension
Yes.
yeah and then-ke kwaba ukuthi who's the best yabona within ekasi yabona
Yes.
obviously la kunalo omncancane khulu and ungima omncancane vele thina besichisa khulu-ke thina
Yeah.
juthi ingoma nanoma sidlala lapha sibaningi mabangayezwa ngabamba imayikawo
Yabasikile. So kade basikile.
kade vele from zisuka zibeka
Allo ekhambeni lakho nama-group lawa wakhulumisayo yini eyandenza ukuthi nihlukane unobangela kwaba yini?
I don't think yazi sahlukana to say ukuthi mhlambe kuyaliwa sekuthi I think mhlawumnye into zokhula ukuthi ne-passion le ayisidrive kokufana
Yes, that's correct.
yeah abanye mhlawumnye babone ukuthi okay mina yami indlela ngile unfortunately or ngithi unfortunately or fortunately for me ngi-artist an artist is someone who's always dreaming and akafuni ukuvuka is always dreaming so mina bekungeyami-ke leyo indlela from school
Yes.
mina bengidraw I was the best artist like from primary school till high school art has always been my thing
Yeah.
so ukungifaka kwami ku-music
Yes.
beba just bakhulisa leyo profile lobu artist nje uyabona yeah so mina bese kwaba ngeyami le ndlela mina bese yinto bese ngiyibona bekusingileyo kuphela bekunganayo enye indlela engiyibonako juthi njengedonka ngazi ipera uri nayifaka nithi namaklama uri club uri
babiza njalo
yeah ngazi ngithi unfortunately or njani but ke into mina isindlela bese ngiyibona sengileyo bona bathatha yabo indlela mina sengachubeka from la bevele sesikhamba ngakhona
okay
So now or ufuna ungena Nransi?
yeah bengifuna ukumbuza ukuthi une standard sabantu oberekisana nabo like if you someone uthi ngifuna ukuklama ingoma nawe or ngifuna ukuthi ungifeature or ngikufeature uqala istandard somuntu ukuthi umuntu lo ujame phi kwezomvumezi bese uyavuma or uvumela noma ngibani
le yona izongilwisa nabantu abaningi mara umuntu kumele understand ukuthi sima-artist asifani mina ngithanda ukuletha into engayaziwako engahabu ukuzwiwa before
Yes.
yabona okay ngithini nangathi uyacala i-catalog yami abantu engibereke nabo babantu ezange nibezwe before the first time I worked with u-Audrey ukozwana
Yeah.
abantu abaningi bebangazi ukuthi u-Audrey is capable of making a song and whatever ngamfaka njengibereke nouzinhle uzinhle abantu abaningi abamazi
Of course.
ngibereke ufani umuntu uyaziwa ngemvumeni wesikhethu
Yeah.
ubetha igatara mina welzele ngithembene ngoba sengumuntu
Oh,
engimaziko wasemateslop ngimberekisela ngokuthi mhlawumbe ngobuduze and ngithembe sengumuntu engimthembileko umbali mntwana ekhaya
Yes.
uyakwazi ucula ivoice yakhe yihle iphala yami so why not
Why not? Yeah.
kunomunye uprincess wekhaya naye Nqobile ukhona ingoma
That's me, guys.
igama lakho okhona yes uprincess uNcobile naye ngwekhaya ukhona engomeni nami Imilozana Imilozana ukhona ngibereke no uDr Thulisile Bhuda
Yes.
abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi uThulisile Bhuda uyakwazi ukucula yes nami bengazi sengezwa ngaye bekananda ngivakatshela nje sesinane sicoca intonyana enjalo until she told me ukuthi okay I can sing and I sing i-opera like oh really you sing i-opera okay nayi mic ke and semane senza I was blown away. She's quite talented actually.
Yeah.
And then angamgadangisa bane mina ngibereka nabantu eningabaziko
Yeah.
njengo for insake uNabingweni
Yes,
abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi kukhona imbongikazi yangemtshade so ngiyamfaka ke naye yabona
Exactly.
yes I like to bring out the talent that is kind of hidden yabona so I'm not one of a person ukuthi just because of when I wenza hip hop nami ngenza hip hop shoot koste siberekisana no if wenza hip hop it's fine iyenze it's okay but mina I want to bring i-element enye mina already hip hop ikhona kimi
Yes.
so ngifuna ukuletha enye element of which engaziwako ngaleyo ndlela yabona yes
So nangenzeka uthole i-opportunity yokuthi ubereke nabantu ababagade abacula ingoma zakadoka ngubani ongathi lo ngeqa naye
Nopeni Nepakama
Chesa.
Zamani Boys
Yeah.
ngebange Mateslopo ke lapho
Iye.
bengisabuza umhlokonya ukuthi kani kwenzakalani why mina abantu abangibezwa angibazi ngithoma ukubezwa nje
Iye.
ya uyangitshela ukuthi no ibhende le kade khulu ikhona eMateslopo mina ngithoma ukuyizwa nje
Oh.
Gamchiriri
Yeah.
Jerry Boys.
kunendebele Queens kodwana ke umvumo wabo la sanguwuthola tholi
Yeah.
bakhona kodwana i-albumini leya eyakhipha iKwekwezi FM
Yes.
bakhona lapho mina vele yabona wakhuluma ngabavumi bakade
Yeah.
ya uyangihloga ngifuna bona vele straight ngifuna bona vele straight
Okay. Kungitshele lapha. Ninoma 60 nihlangana njani?
yo
Yes.
alifuna podcast yaye
Chesa.
yodwa alifuna podcast yodwa
Shoot it long story.
that's one
Yenzi be short.
yo ma-60 yes okay uma-60 wangithola njengoba ngitsho ukuthi yabona benginabangani bami sesiyenza nje we just doing it for fun yabona vele it was just fun and then ukukhamba ngitsho ngikhe ngatsho ukuthi siyahlukana nabo MRS ne-3 dimension leyo at some point yeah
Okay.
but that was because of ngadecide ukuthi I want to learn this thing myself
Okay. Yes.
So ngathi ukuthola a separate room ngazifundisa mina i-computer ukuthi music wenziwa njani and stuff, and then ukuhamba nesikhathi ngamitha abanye abantu njengoflipper no-rider, so safoma esinye isichema sizibiza nge-SOM, Team SOM.
Yes.
Sinoflipper-ke kwaba ngathi ngihlangene ne-twin lam. Yeah, umuntu o-reflector mina exactly the way well, not physically but then mentally ngendlela besicabanga
Kuyashesha
yes, nangendlela si-understanda ngakho umvumo sithuthi sithanda into efanayo, and then ukuya nokuya umvumo lo sesiyawenza nje. Kwaba ne-event enye eBhokonoduko
PNR.
Before i-PNR kunelinye ikheve, so before i-4way before i-Kawash nalapha ikheve linye nawuceda ukwehla ngenanas inanas sekude khulu
esosenzasi
novela emadamini laya man nawuceda ukheva, so kunenye isitolo esinye lapha bebathengisa imphahlo lapha. Angisasikhumbula isitolo igama lesitolo sokuthi bebasibiza ngani, basenza i-event lapho nabangani bami. Yes, uma-60 apparently wangibona lapho. Yes, with bedroom music nje besububheda besurecord. Ingoma leza besizirecorda ngama-laptop. I-laptop akhona yabona i-laptop mos.
Yes.
I-laptop ine-camera ine-mic la screen. Besirecorda i-camera i-mic leyo lapho. Sifaka i-laptop e-wardrobe for i-sound le ukuthi sifaka ingoma ezinjalo man, ingoma zokudlala nje. Yena uzwe ingoma lezo and yena wabona i-potential, I don't know, for some reason angazi ukuthi uzwe ngoba ingoma lezi nangizilalelako mina nje nangezwe omunye umsana acula lapha udayi umsalo yabheda but yena uzwe more than that for some reason. And then it was a weekend yabona kwadlula iveke ngithi inkolo bezivaliwe bengasikade zivaliwe and ngathi bengifailile nesikolweni so nekhaya vele bebangafuni ngiphume
sebakufake i-discipline
no bekuhlangahlangene into emayelana nomvumo bebangafuni vele ngiyabona. So kwaba nelinye ilanga ukuthi because nangiseMateslop ekhethe emkhulu kungaphezulu ekhaya kungenzasi kwagogo, so akusikude like khona ngiyahla ngiyakho, so ngathi ngiyakwagogo, ngathi nangiyakwagogo nasi ikolo yavela la mina ngitheba abantu bazifunela ama-direction. Kwaba ngima-60 loyo-ke uyangibiza utiza la ngikubone uperforma lapha eBhokonoduko kungifakela ingoma zakho ku-USB sharp. Ngiyamchazela ngithi mina phela mina la ngiyakhona nje phela I'm not allowed ukuya lapho yabona, so mara saye ngamfakela ingoma zami ku-USB. Wathatha amanamba azange kuphele neveke, wathi Friday sekhalineni ne-gig yokuperforma lapho.
How
magic sukazivele ene ngengoma ezibhedako ngoma ezinye ezibheda khulu.
Nasi-ke ingoma i-national anthem tshela uhara bethi fengwana tweet tshela uhara bethi ngaboni kwaNdebele ihlanga ebile mina bengithi ngu-MT-ke because really wait mara u-MT uhlangana njani namaNdebele niyibizani itun because uthena uceda uhari bethi fengwana kwavela leya ka-MT le yes roll up. So ngasitshela ukuthi abantu abajemuthi bayahlobana kani engirong iNdebele langikhethu.
Ifengwana yavela after already at least lapho bese sivela velile because usipho groomed us ma-60 he really groomed us like serious because like I'm saying besidlala thina it was just a hobby. Wafika so wasicala nje wasibona wasicala ukuthi laba umuntu baphethe kudlala lapha khe ngibalisa wasilisanyana maybe for like 2 years 3 years za 2013 sayokwela sabuya lapho-ke muthi bese akhona ukusikhulumisa angazi.
Khuluma ilanguage
Yeah, muthi lasomuzwa.
Yeah.
After 2013 kwaba ngathi uba bit closer nyana khona ukuhamba indawo nyana eziningi. So manje uyafika every Friday bekafika sithathe siye kaikai sesokubona ama-events especially
Yes.
yeah like perform abo MT labo abo bani ama-event ngiwakhambile esiwakhambile just besibukela kuphela.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, he just gave us that experience ukuthi sibone ukuthi abanye abantwana benzani before he started ukuthi nina-ke nje isikhathi senu. So ukusigruma kwakhe sewasikhombisa ukuthi okay i-appeal wasimbathisa ukuthi okay then batha so umvumo wenu anisathukani.
Oh,
Yeah, into wasifakela nini
okay.
yeah anisakhuluma ngento ezisinagisi khuluma bentazana or inini khuluma into
Yeah.
enengcono right. And then-ke kwaba ukuthi sidrop before ifengwana sadrop iThobile. Yes, of which that was our first song eyadlala on a national radio.
Yes.
Wow.
Kube wasibona
How was the feeling, man?
Wow.
musi saphaka ikoloyi lapha endleleni
Yeah.
yabona musi ikasi nekasi kuba nendawo la egcwala khona saphaka e-PAC ema-Tesla block e-PAC vele kusathanda ukugcwala abantu
Yeah.
savula ikoloyi vele
Yeah.
savulela umhatsho basitshela ukuthi yathoma yadlala ekuseni
Yes.
Okay.
but yokudlala ngo-9 ekuseni after indaba azange ngibone ngingedwa lapho. Bekuhlanya into enye and then basitshela bathi yokudlala lokhanyana nakoti ngabo-3
Yes. Amathunzana.
ya wadaya sihlanganile bafana
Besenza ngibani afternoon drive?
ubukusheshe
Oh, ne.
ya
Yes.
bukusheshe basitshela ukuthi ngo-3 izokudlala Viera.
Yeah.
Wathi bafana siyasikhambe izani sophaka lapha sivulele ikokwezi lapha sivulele ikolo lapha.
Yes.
Kwathi kwakuphela indaba yathi bheka ngibamothoyi zange usibone.
Yes.
Esahlanya kakhulu. And then from lapho-ke
Yes.
kwaba ukuthi umvumo sengiyawenza ngendlela sengijwayele ngakhona. Kwaba nenye ingoma engiyenzayo ibizwa i-Great Time. Kuba nevesinyana lapha ngathi ngibetha ngesikhethu unyana.
Yeah.
2 minutes nyana. Ngabuyela ngenza i-English ngibebele ngidume ngayo bona. And then ngomunye u7 nje.
Yes.
Kwaba nokuthi yazi ifengwana i-inspire ngenye ingoma that is actually far away from ubundebele or anything.
Yeah.
I-inspire ingoma ka-Red Button.
Yeah.
Wow.
Kanjeni ingoma le yazi right ngihlala ngikhohle ingoma hayi ingoma le ngihlala ngikhohle but then ingoma le it's far away from ubundebele or anything but then I guess the beat was inspired by that. Okay. Just bengifuna i-high player and ngiyazenzela phela ama-beat la khumbula.
Yes.
Okay.
So ngathi no ngifuna ukwenza ingoma eso ngalipaka i-beat nanti ngiyalizwa no vibe vele ngendlela ngengoma le ne-flow le bengifuna ikhambe yamporo njengengoma le. And then-ke kwaba ukuthi mina ngibetha the way ngijwayele ngakhona.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm looking clear masquato ngibetha ngesikhuwa vele
Nani.
until for some reason nje kwaba nento ethi tshela uGhara wethi fengwa
Yo.
Yes.
net iline le
Yeah.
ngalrecorda tshela
Yeah.
uGhara wethi fengwa and then kwaba nento ukuthi ayikhona la ngathi na something
Yeah.
ngidlala
Yeah.
ngadlala ngitsho ngena ngishishile and into engizikhuluma is like first of all for a person owenze i-English
School,
and
yeah.
as a home language Afrikaans is a first additional language isindebele angisazi at all.
Yes.
Yabona ozuthi sengithatha lokhu engikwazi from endlini mara nakuba negama nje fonela uGhara konje igama elithini alright ngichubeke fonela njalo
Okay.
leya bekuyi-research vela azange
Straight.
Kuhle une PhD. Kufanele bakuhloniphe.
and then I did the first verse
Yes.
no the first verse was isikhuwa.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the second verse after tshela uGhara it was that ngitsho ngena nje.
Chichirizi.
Yeah.
And then like I said usipha ngisho bekeza ngama-Friday
Yes.
wafika-ke ngo-Friday lo ingoma le I think it was a Thursday nangenza Friday wafika wayilalela
Yeah.
but mfana yithi susa yabona into obuzikhuluma leza phambili leza into ezangizizwa sisuse thatha lokhu ukubeke phambili
Yeah.
and then uchubeka ngesindebele
Yeah.
hawa vele hawa banginikela ispace sami angayihlalela vele zange zangizwe
Wayipheka.
first verse
Yes.
ngayicedelela ngafaka nabo angitsho bengitshela uhara abethi fema
Yeah.
vele ngayichubekisa ngafaka ne-second verse round 2 ngibethi guduva no ngiyabahlukumeza hawa juthi kwaba ngathi into ebegade
Kade
ngiyazi
uyazi.
and then
Yazi
next
Ken Gide.
Ken
Gide
Gide
tu
nazo lezo bekuyinto engizifake emuva bengazinto bevele ezikhona from ekuthomeni
Yes.
Okay.
yeah
So now the transition from ekuvumeni ngelimi lesiyeni to ekuvumeni ngesindebele. Isindebele akwasifundi esikolweni.
yes
Fundi English neAfrikaans. So now yini into ekukhuthazileko namkhana ikwenze ukuthi ube nehuluphelo ekutheni okay umvumo ngiyawuthanda mara bengikwenza ngesingisi nje ngifuna ukwenza ngesindebele. And your first song oyenze ngesindebele yablow. Kube yini?
ngicabanga ukuthi ifengwana le ngoba
Yes.
ngathi nangiyenza iyavula elinye
Yeah.
Yo.
yanlokha enye i-archive elinye or angazi
Yes.
elinye ifile kima lapho bese ngithini I was obsessed
Yes.
ngesindebele
Yeah.
ngase bese isikhethu nakhona ukuthi anginala ngingasithola khona
Yes, yes.
the closest thing to me was internet
Yeah.
so bengivula Google laba
Yeah.
the only thing ebengithola ke about umvumo was abona uThembi bengistudisha yena ke vele ngimstudisha online
Yeah.
nevunulo yesikhethu
Yes.
it's like it was the first time ngithola ukuthi ngilindebele imbongo lezi zesikhethu ezinye nanoma bazibhale ngendlela engasi right ezinye bengise ngizithola lapho amagama lamanye ngithubulekiwe yabona bese ngiwathola net lapho online angifuni ukutshela amanga akunakula ngifunde khona net online lokho ama YouTube videos bengicala ama documentary la amanye ajudwe ngesindebele
Yes.
bese ngifunda kiyo amanye ngawathatha ke ngawa incorporate to my music njenge introduction yami enye yakunkunzembili zakuthembana my first album
Yes.
lapho kuno Nomasinya okata indoni
Charlene or Charmaine.
Nomasinya
Ngokachili yena.
wachili Nomasinya
Young Nomasinya Chi.
yeah she had one of i-clip ku YouTube lapha beka kundoni beka
Yes.
yeah khaya umlando wamandebele
Ngiyavuma.
yes so ngathatha i-clip leyo nga-incorporate to my music ngenze intro ngayo and then kwaba kunenye imbongi ubekabonga ngenyanga zonyaka akuchihweni ivideo leyo nayo ngayithatha ngayi-incorporate to my videos yes so bengimuntu ophila off i-internet so everything ebundebele bese ngithatha ku-internet benginganaka ukuthi ngingathi ngibuza abantu or ngaphandle kokuthi into eseduze njengabohari mhlawumbe into eseduze amagama mhlawumbe ngifuna igama elithize angilazi ukuthi lithini lapho-ke ya bengifonela uhari ngimbuze ukuthi igama elinje lisho ukuthini ngingaliberegisa na or into enjengaleyo
shuthi bongathathi enye nenye
yabona ama-facts I had to be sure ukuthi into enje i-make i-sense till today ngisakwenza nalokho
okay
angimane ngithatha igama nje ngilifake bengisabuza umntwana ekhaya ngibo-ke abayenze isindebele esikolweni
Yes.
ngiceda ukuposta ingoma not ingoma ivideo about umncamo siyamalanga la sesenza ama-content
I saw that one.
yes
Yeah.
so ngimfone ngambuza ngathi umncamo uspelwa ngo-C or ngo-Q na
Yes.
wangihlathi no siphela ngosinga
Yeah.
confirm la ngozi ngiyawazi amandebele one mistake is toy lapha
One mistake is done.
hayi amandebele khethu wona abayifuni ayiphuta abalifuni puta
Yeah.
Yeah.
abalifuni
So now, from Ifengwana, uba ninkunzi embili zakuthembana.
yo
Hit nayo leyo. And then
award winning
inspire.
Award
Yes.
yo inkunzi embili zakothembana hey that time vele besigika kakhulu-ke
Yeah, I remember.
it was after Ifengwana, right? So I was building inkunzi embili zakothembana, the whole project.
Yes.
Okay.
That was Sipho's idea ukuthi nje yenza umvumo wakho ngesindebele siyipackage and put it out there.
Yes.
Okay.
Kwaba ukuthi kunelinye ilanga abohari bakhona.
Yes.
Bekuyi weekend sebakhona umndeni nje siphelele. Ingoma ngiyenzile mina nkonze mina zakothemba makhala la in a building. Ngisampule
Yeah, unduna nezakhe. Yes.
unduna nezakhe.
Yes.
Yes, ngisampule yena lapha. Ingoma yakhe engisampulileko lapha. And then ke awuthi bakhona bengiceda ukugadangisa enye ingoma kodwa umntwana kaHari bengifuna ayenze umthandazo baba wethu asezulile.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, so bengifuna ivoice nyana le mntwana le. So yeah, and then ngiyabazwisa ke right ke nangisabazwisa nje ngakhumbula hayi khona kunenye ingoma le inegatari isikhethu lapha ngiyenzile ngifuna ngathi abohari bangabetha i-chorus nyana le.
Yes.
Lezi vele
oh,
zabo one lezi yabo.
Yes.
Awa ngalight i-mic lapha awa abantu abasebenza no script
No, nothing. Isegazini.
nothing next
So now, i-project le ikuthumbisa ama-awards. Satma Award, I remember that one.
Yes.
Konje Mpumalanga Sunshine Media Awards walithuma ngayiphi?
Ifengwana.
Ngefengwana.
Yes.
Okay. So now, there was a point la, but usijava bebasese ku ambition.
Ngiseza
Yeah.
shem.
Ne?
Yeah.
So now, ngezwa i-clip yakhe, I think uzola bekam interview ku Jumpers. Show kaZola lebe isese ku Massive Metro. But kwaba nala akhuluma ngawe khona.
Yes.
Bewathi bantu bakwaNdebele nangu umndweni.
Before teen.
Yes. Ubudlelwano bakho noSijava busuke laphi? Uqabanga ukuthi ya inspire yini into le yayikhuluma ngawe?
sinosijava sahlangana kwamhlanga stadium.
Yes.
But then lapho just nje besesile nje nathi
Yes.
sisima-artist sibhukhiliwe and bengasikunto yokuthi nasifika lapha sokuhlangana nabo Sidava
Yeah.
zokuthi sesifollowa i-line up nje
Okay.
nabo sisikothibe bakhona aboThulibati Grootman Thulibati shout out Thulibati
Yes.
shout out sisikothibe
Yes.
abantu abangivele sikhule vele sifuna ukuba ngibo honestly
Of
I don't wanna
course,
lie.
yes.
Straight.
Yeah.
And then ke Ushoes ngazi yamazi K forever.
Yeah, okay forever.
K forever.
The best in the
He
game.
knows this whole story.
Yes.
Sathi nasifika I think vele everybody bese kaphefumile and stuff. Ifengwana ngathi bengakaphumi at that time. Angana mangazi beyiphumile or abantu bengakaphumi.
Yes.
Just besi performa kuphela.
Oh, yes.
Bengakaphumi. And thina SEM6G besisa performa bothobile ingoma zethu lezi ebazaziyo. Sathi nasingenako lapha yes. Nami ngabona okay abo MT bese no MT was he there? No MT wasn't there.
Because there's a video ninoke ku background
La
backstage.
nabo MT okay
Yes.
no that one yes that day bekuno
Yes.
City Lights.
Yes.
RIP City Lights. Bekuno Saudi.
Yes.
Sotraman.
Yes.
I love Sotraman. Obviously
that
Begnos Java. Obviously in the whole ATM gang, you know, abanye bengabazi ngamagama at that time. Ngathi nangiperformako, bona City Light lapha uyajiva.
Yeah.
City Lights, I call.
Yeah.
What's cooking? You know, that was like, what's going on? Sesenzani.
Yeah.
And then obviously like the crowd was very amazed. Bebathoma ukuzwa into enje. I'm like, it was like a Cisco T, but then in the future, you know, yabona. And then sometimes naslike stage, we didn't zanke basinikele ne chance but siya kuma, you know, ngaphambili lapha so tata ama picture basidosela ngemuva. Same time. City Lights wadzwakala yi. Skiphano was cooking. Well, at that time I wasn't bengakhona ukuzikhulumela yabona.
Yes.
Yeah, umlomo lobo sesemanzi nyana. So luckily uSipho bekakhona yabona.
Okay.
Uncle Six was there. No, hayi intwana yami le shaya umvuma ngesikhabo. He's just doing this because lindebele yabona. Yeah. Because uSjava ungibuzile ukuthi why ucula ngesindebele.
Yeah.
Bengakhona ukuphendula.
Yeah.
No, hayi simply because of lindebele yabona. Yeah. And then what? No, sathatha ama pictures, no, take my number. So exchange my number. Yeah, so kwaba into ephelala lapho at that time. And then ukuze sihlangane initially kwaba ukuthi Sunoma 60 we were just like nje touring around nje. I think we are Gold Reef City, bekuyi birthday yakhe.
Yes.
Nangikhumbula kuhle we Gold Reef City. Was just celebrating a birthday yakhe, and then sad. Unfortunately, bengasiyilanga elihle. I think beceda ukushona umama Winnie. Winnie Mandela. Yes.
Okay.
So sadlula ngapho ku memorial service vele Soweto. Sadlula lapho vele. Yeah, everybody was busy lapho, you know. And then sathina slap nga what he texts Java umtshela ukuthi sila around. Sise Midrand. We was cooking.
Yes.
Yeah.
So ngamtexta ku Instagram. Hey, Grootman, we are around here. Was cooking. What now I pull up?
Yes.
I'll pull up. The time our MT bevasahlala khonye kuphila. Khayalami, I think it's Khayalami.
Yes, Khayalami.
Yeah.
Nangikhumbula kuhle. And then saya la so kwaba into ukuthi we just chilling yabona sabalalisa EP my EP benginayo bekuyi Trinity ngaleso sikhathi inkunzi embili bengahabi kuba into ekhona ngisese Trinity at that time I sounded more like MT more than anything because obviously ATM and they inspired us like so
exactly.
like ngenye indlela emangazayo they made hip hop yasekasi izwakale more than like ukuthi it's radioable wadlala ulalelisa abantu so most of us we were trying to sound like MT in a way and stuff so besibalalelisa that project but then I was on my route to complete inkunzi embili zawuthemana so I think I had like a couple of tracks savadlalela zona. It was just a thing we just mingling, yabona? Nothing much. Nothing much. Just mingling, taking pictures, having conversations. Just watching them watching MT being MT, watching or Raf being Raf. You know, watching Java being Java. Yeah. Nothing much. But then from then, as you know, Java, we always had the communication. Till today, we still WhatsApp. I remember this other time nagenza ihliziyo yami yabuhlungu khulu mhloka bekasembombela I think it was last year yo I was
bekenza itour yakhe
bekenza ishow yakhe le ahlala I think ayenza annual
yes
so ngiyamtshela skiphana ezwakala bathe ngihloga amajite asetheni phela ndaba ukuthi sizwakala ngabayizise but anyway I mean isikhathi God has his time there's time for everything so if azange kwenzeka ngalokho ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi sazokwenzeka and there's a reason why ukuthi zange kwenzeka ngaleso sikhathi so So sinosijava we still in contact but angeke ngibone ngiprapaprapaza ngayo.
Wasizwa njani ndoda uzwa
The
usijava
feeling.
nozola bakhuluma
that.
ngawe do
Yo. Hence ngayithatha mina anything vele engathi yang ngithini
Yes.
ingivusela that thing ngiyayithatha ngi-incorporate ku-music wami ngayithatha ngayifana ngayenza i-intro.
yes
Yo, that meant a lot to me. Ngazizwa ngingomunye umuntu osezingeni eliphakeme. Someone who is at least ngibonwe,
Yes.
I mean, star, Zola 7, legend.
Yeah.
Zola
Yes.
Zola saw you. You don't need any approval from anybody else.
exactly
Yes.
Yeah.
So sengayibona njengento into enjengaleyo kodwa ke zange ngizithathe njengomuntu so ogone njena ke sengiyokutempela ukumuntu ukuthi
So kuke kwaba khona isikhathi la ozibona khona ukuthi ya manje ngifikile la ngiyako. I'm within. No ngene mola ngiyaholela lilo. And how was the feeling if you was there?
into leyo heke ngeze ufelo akhuluma ngayo ke wadosa nzima ngazi ukuthi mina nangingakhuluma ngayo ngengidosa nzima.
ayilise
Akabe izokubhalela ilist.
No, obviously man mina abalandeli bami ngiyabathabela nabangithabelako.
Yes.
Kwaba nesikhathi esinye vele uthi yabona nje vele
Yeah.
ziyawuya nje
Jarakanisa.
nomola usakhona ukuya.
Yeah.
But then bengasimuntu vele ovela akhamba ngale ndlela.
Yes.
So nasiye mall bese siya mhlawumbe nasiya kuma gig sesiyangena sithenga Sprite siyaphuma siyangena.
yes
So vele usibona basithabela wasigijimela thatha ama picture. Mina ngisimuntu vele lenkinga ngifuna ipicture ngizokunika. Amalanga lana noma songibona mina e-mall phela sengiyavuka sengiyavuka ngizothenga ubrothe e-mall. Anga expect ukuthi batsho umuntu uzokufuna isithombe so and stuff. So but then nawufuna isithombe it's fine. But then hey
man you made a song no Cisco T
yes
kanjani that song Amandebele ahlange
Amandebele ingoma le yangathi nangiceda nakhona lapho ngisampula unduna nezakhe.
yes
Yazi unduna nezakhe ngihlala ngimtshela ngithi ndoda ayikhona kose sinawe like singene
Kuhle kuhle.
singene studio ngoba ingoma zakho
yes
every time nangiziberekisawo
yeah
I get something out of it and obviously like
Siyablowa.
yes ngathi nangiceda ukuyisample ngihlanganisile ibeat nanilihlangene mara naniliyangirara angazi ukuthi koste ngingene njani kwenzakalani sengenza bo rawela
yes
sengafaka indonyana ezinjalo
yeah
ngalithumela ku-Cisco Cisco nobhongo
yeah
bashaya babetha
yeah
babetha ivesi yathi nayibuyayo ngakhona ngiba nokuthi okay
yeah
ngingayibetha ngeyami indlela okay the track never change it's still the same the only thing
man that song is huge
Yo.
ngoma le nangidlalako everywhere yano ziyajika
Ibuyisa ithemba ebekade lilahlekile nokuthi amaNdebele like yalibuyisa kodwa ukuthi kuhle sibumbene sekuchoda net kancane angazi kuchodani muthi imbobe nalite kose ifakwe lapha ithi qing. I love that ngiyayithanda ingoma khona
yawa ngiyathokoza
bakwethu ningalibala bonyana sigadangisa e-Good Life Studios ngikhambe ngedwa ngikhamba noNqobile Masuku nolilo NTK
studio seGrotman owaziwa ngentwana efocus
ochuta kunabingwe imbongikazi yemthatha so now Lilo
yes
you did the biggest song no Cisco T you did Ifengwana you did Inkunzi Embili zakoThembana
ivile liyajika
that one ivile
liyajika
that song inspiring because I was listening to you bengisagijima ke lokho ngivuke ekseni yokujima your first interview ngengoma le kumutse community radio netha ngisakhumbula ukuthi muphi umnyaka but bo ingoma ethi village ngayizwa lapho ukuthoma.
okay.
Yes. So ngathi nangibona ukuthi upostile ukuthi uzoba kuphi ngalalela vele ngagijima eground.
And nokuba i-award winner kuba yey uzizwa njani?
Yo, yabona ye Sadma, the Sadma
Yes.
award, that was like, sekuthi man, I feel like ngaleso sikhathi it felt like, man, this is normal, yabona.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, I was cruising. We were cruising.
we're cruising nicely.
We were cruising. Seriously, and no pete usipho la. I mean,
Yeah.
like he was running a professional
Yes.
position
Correct.
with kids. Thina besingayiboni into ayenzayo.
Yeah.
Besingaboni kwenzakala. Mina I was serious bengaboni kwenzakala. Until today nangihlala phansi ngireflect. No man, we were cooking.
Yeah.
Like serious.
Yeah.
No, I mean, this is South African traditional music
Yes.
achievement award. South
Yay.
Africa. Once you say South Africa, that
Yes.
means you are a national. You know,
Besikhona.
uyabona? Ngiyakhumbula.
Nginesithombe sakhe.
Yeah.
Besikhona phakathi
Maybe wena
inside.
bengakwazi
Yeah.
that much, but
Mara
uthatha.
isithombe sikhona.
Yeah,
there.
I still even have a clip. I think, but then by shooter from in TV.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so I still do have a video. Oh, that was the biggest moment in my life. That was big.
Yeah.
And then coming from that, thinking,
Yes.
okay, we also best nominated to Mpumalanga Sunshine Media Awards.
Yes.
Yeah.
For Itobile.
Yes.
With that one, no, we were not nominated for Itobile. Best
Ifengwa.
but then Tina I think best submitted in Kunzembila. Angsakumul best submitted.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lapho besitshela ukuthi, there's no way we're getting this one because
Okay.
our focus was ku Sadma, right? So that like we know for a fact that ama votes wethu amaningi aye ku Sadma. Surprisingly,
Hey.
nasifika le Nelspruit Tata zonke Operation Tata zonke. Oh, 2018 was like the best moment
Yeah.
of my life. Like when it comes to achieving things, you know.
Yes.
Yeah,
That was the best year ever. I think this whole thing, the whole momentum, more try 2019, COVID-19,
Yo.
so cool because this was 2018. We were rocking.
True.
And then that 2019, everything was like,
Kwavela ubhubhane.
eish.
Etching a pass.
Ubhubhane.
Yes.
So now, going forward, ulilu usiphatheleni, like, what are you cooking? Usiphekeleni.
Yabona yo nje mina ihloko yami nje igcwele into eziningi khulu. I think last night I realized my actual purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Last night.
literally last night.
Yeah.
Last night I think I was coloring on this book.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Color
Yes.
unomhle khabo.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not so sure what's the next page.
Yeah.
And the third page. Mara
Yes.
la boy to wokugcina la zange color in full.
Okay.
I realized ukuthi ngibona into eziningi yo. I realized ukuthi okay into gwala le I think into engithandako.
Oh, welcome.
In fact like it's K. Oh man, it's K. Oh,
Yo,
I'm so obsessed.
Ooh.
Yeah, like seriously, I am chuti ukuba obsessed kwami kwathoma kade the time nangenza
Yes.
ifengwana, but then
Yes.
I wasn't aware. So nje ngibe like ngiyabona ukuthi okay this thing and ngingayisa phambili ukudlulela.
Yeah.
So last night I saw myself having a museum,
Wow.
Ndebele Museum.
Yes.
Okay.
Like,
And it's
yeah.
possible. Yes. Yes.
we need that.
Yes,
Idinga
true,
iNdebele Museum. Yes, bakhona bogodwana,
Yeah.
you know, but then we need iNdebele Museum.
Yes.
Esphathele you guys we
Yes.
have Abo Audrey.
Yes.
You know, we have us, we have
Yes.
there's this person angaza zangizwa ngumuntu amkhulumisa. We have iNdebele superhero uZana Masombo.
Usana Masombo.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi amaNdebele avala amehlo or njani
Yeah.
or
Mara, I
yini
think
or ilihlo
again-
lami libona ngenye indlela.
No, as sometimes akusikubala amehlo. Lilo, if you want to be out there, allow yourself ukuthi ube out there.
Ne.
Angekhe sikwazi uhlezi ngerumini usivalele. I-social media is there. Nawe kuze uthuthuke ezinye zezinto kosuzithathe uzibeke fana nami siyagwala nangiyokuthatha ingwane ngisivalele ngendlini ngithi abantu bazokuza kimi bazongazi ngiphumile ngisendleleni ngoba ngifunani ngifuna abantu bazi ukuthi
bazi ukuthi,
ngitholakala njani kuphi. I think yena usavalelekile nakangaphuma siveze. I trust me.
Trust
No,
me,
man,
akazivaleli ke.
yes,
This person
yes,
is
I'm going there now.
international. I feel
Yabo.
like maybe okay, she got to a realization what in a CEO target market.
Ne.
She's moving ngepace ka I could say Dr. Esther
Yes.
Okay.
at that
On a
time.
different
Yes,
level of setup.
thina like so umuntu ogwala ungkoko gwalawo yabona
Yeah.
ngusongkoko gwalawo, but then to an international brand or BMW to say
Yes.
Yes.
they saw so much potential. Bambeka to where she is now. So same thing I can say with Uzana. Uzana is doing the
Yo, man,
most.
she's doing the greatest outside.
The most.
You see? Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
Wrap up.
So now, what I can say about Uzana Masombuga, she's the best. She's doing something different. Wenza into thina eMandebeleni sijayele, but asikayiqabange ngendlela iqabanga ngayo. Yabo, even the pictures as chutago and stuff, it's different. So I in market target it's more outside of Amandebele, outside of the country.
into ebathi mhlolo.
Yeah, mhlolo thina sithi mhlolo ekhethwa
okay.
wenza ngaphandle
now
bano
singentona.
Thulufelo Maseko, you know. So now Lilo nasiyibuyisa kuwe man.
Sesivala.
I just want to say this on camera ukuthi I need you to understand ngiyitsho ngesingisi ukuthi ufuna nabanye abangezwa kubangizwe. Yes. Yabo, I just need you to understand and acknowledge your bestness. Ngifuna kufike la wena o understand khona ukuthi mina I'm the best and akekho umuntu njengami, you know, because you are the greatest. Endoda mina nangilalela umvumo wakho I'm like yo mara kuchodana because le yi package international. Music yakho it's international dog. So now you need to acknowledge ukuthi you are the best and run with that. Don't allow anyone to say anything or to say a different thing because you are you. No one is doing what you are doing.
You.
Yeah, you see? Exactly.
And don't allow ifame ukuthi ikuchange ekubeni ngulilo lo kwenza omunye umuntu nomjolo again cause
Lapho velo ngasayinulula kade lapho.
yeah umjolo cause ngasikhathi uyathikameza
Yes.
endweni uzokuthola umuntu ongakhambelani nento yenzako le ozofuna ukuthi right through wena uyakhamba wena uyangithiya so nomjolo kuyofuna umuntu oyokujola naye umqalisise sesivala Lilo ufuna igeneration elandelako le ifunde ini ngawe.
Yo. Into engayo ipendulo yona ukutshela iqiniso anginayo ne. Kodwa na ke into engayitsho ukuthi mina nawulindebele ibalindebele
Yes.
ungathi just because of mhlawumnye now for example esikhathini esiyangitsho abantwana siyasuka la ekhaya bese singePitori nafika ngePitori sihlangana namazulu sekukhulunywa isiZulu whatever isindebele siyacindezela ungacindezeleki chubeka ube lindebele chubeka nesindebele sakho akusi into wrong ukuba ndebele akunako into ukuthi batsho ukhethu or ulindebele kulo isindebele no now isindebele sindebele sinjalo vele sidalwe ngaleyo ndlela. Just be yourself. Just be yourself. Mina I'm just myself. Akekho umuntu engiyathi ngiyamkopela or in I wake up ulilo NTK, I sleep as ulilo NTK. I am just myself ngilindebele at the end of the day.
Ebavumini abazako nje ungakhona ukuthi like uba workshop if maybe you know about workshop ubakhulise ngendlela nawe abakukhulisa ngayo.
Yeah, most probably because I mean at the end of the day woke umuntu uyayidinga i-grooming.
Yes.
Mina I wouldn't mind ukufundisa people about maybe market yourself or finding yourself because I think the biggest challenge as being an artist is
Yes.
finding yourself as an artist. Kuhle uvuma ini.
Okay.
Ungubani? Are you
Yes.
a Cisco T? Are you a Tuliba T? Are you
Yes,
a what?
yes.
You know? So ukuya nokuya, you just learn. So abantu abaningi, I could say ama-artists esengwabonile, they are afraid to go through ama-phase la. They just want to rock up as a MTO, rock up as a AKA, already cooked. No, you don't wake up already cooked. You have to cook yourself. You have to go through ama-phases. Now me, like I said, sipangithola ngino music opetako, but then was groom, and then until we became from Tobile, we went to Fengwane, we went to Nkunzemi Zaotemba, which is an award-winning song.
Yes.
We now to Ivilola Chiga. Now
yes,
in Ingwe,
Hey,
you know,
hey,
like
yeah,
you have to go
Masalad.
through the phases. You have to go
Yes,
through the
yes.
phases. Yeah.
Okay.
So man, you have unengoma emnandi oyenze noZinhle Mota. Oh man, don't sleep on that song.
Milozana.
Yes.
Okay, zinenganya, zingaki, zitu.
Yeah, zi-2 engizizwileko because people
Umkhonto.
Yes.
Ne Imilozana.
Yes.
Zinhle Mota is a very talented singer. Into ebengisakutshela yona ukuthi mina ngiberegisa abantwana eningabazi kodwa
Yes.
ngiyabala kwaNdebele. In most cases ngibereke nabantwana ngathi baphume ku
Yes.
Indoni.
Yes.
Uyabona? Yeah.
Target indoni.
Yeah. No, not in that way. No, I mean, no, like bane khona.
Yes,
La,
yes, that's true.
ngitshela ma-
Hey, that is why you need to target
Yes.
indoni because
Yeah.
already.
Yes. So, Imilozana or
Imlozana, man.
Imilozana.
Jar.
Imilozana bengifuna ukwenza ingoma ebukhethu.
Yes.
Inami kengi.
That song is huge.
It's very nice.
Lali, please,
Ngiyayithanda
man.
ingoma le. It's
Yo.
very nice. I thought, in fact, it was gonna be the leading song
Yes.
throughout the whole project because I took some time actually. It was the last song. Enhle ngiyingoma ebeyibambezele the whole project. Yes, because I was still trying to find a way ukuthi ngingayi, you know, ngingayingena njani, you know, ukuthi ingadisturb the whole thing. Ingoma le ngiyakade khulu. Inhle ingoma engizenze noZinhle, ingoma nayo umkhonto lo ibeat lakhona ngalenza 2018, but then we recorded the song now. Ingoma le ngayenza noFani Imilozana. Sayenza noFani I think 2021 or 2020 angisakhumbula, but then kona ziphume nje and nina nizwa ngasuthi ingoma efresh. Ingoma eziningi eziphume ku-album yami manje zingoma za 2021, 22, 23.
Yeah. Okay. Definitely part 2. We need it. You have the song, not Dr. Tulsi Buddha.
Yes.
You know, on this part 2, ngifuna ukuthi ungenelele kiyo because now she's doing amazing things.
Yes, yes.
In terms of promoting Slimless Ndebele, encouraging abantwana, and doing research and stuff. You know, especially ku academic
Yes,
side of things. So now ku part 2, ngifuna ukuthi siragele phambili with your journey because there's a lot of things that we need to talk about and stuff.
Heck, yeah.
No, ngingakuthabela kakhulu. Ngikhona ngibaleki nanani nibaleki.
Yes. Yes.
Bakuthola njani
Yes.
ama-bookings
Mina
ama-bookings.
ngiyatholakala ke enkundleni zokuthintana Lilo NTK everywhere, social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Lilo NTK.
Perfect.
Okay, then ori inamba uyayisabisa?
Well, the number it's actually private, but then now ngang inboxa.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll respond to you, or someone else will respond to you.
Okay, perfect. Definitely. Bakwethu ningalahlani nona bingweni because what you guys are doing is great. Bakwethu ibizo lami ngikuthando Mahlangu, indebele lihlakaniphile konelifundileko. Ningalibali ukuthi sigadangisa eGood Life Studios.
Estudio seGrotman. Into ane focus.
Nesitokozo.
Yes.